Hello guys, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're going to learn another topic, advanced Linux commands for Docker. Let us start learning now. So first of all, we have to learn on piping commands. Then second is the change mode, ch mode, file permissions. Third is grep command, and fourth is tar, zip unzip in the Linux, and fifth is our write execute the shell script, how to run the shell script. Okay, so let us start with first one, piping command. So what is piping? So this is called as a pipe. You can see here this is a pipe, and there are two commands are there. One is psEX and one more is grep nginx. So one command output is going to the input to the another to execute here. Okay, so let us understand this command psx. Let us straight away go to the command prompt and write here psx. It will show you list of process. Okay, the main purpose of that command is to find the nginx process running or not. So let us run this one psx. Okay, then piping, then grep find. Grep means find, nginx. Okay, so right here now you can see here the output is showing one red color here. nginx is red, coming in red. That means that process is not at all started or neither stopped here. Okay, not at all present in that current process. Okay, this is how we can able to run the two commands simultaneously. Okay, the next one is ls -1. So this will give the list of files which is available in the root directory. Okay, so I want to show that one ls -1. So now I'll go with command here wc -l. So count one by one how many files are there. Maybe it is a individual file or directory or any tar file. So we enter here, it gives you total 57. It's giving you total 57 files are there in that root directory. Okay, this is how we can able to correlate the piping commands. Okay, so this is clear. Next is our change mode, actually change mode. So in the change mode, please understand here change mode is U is owner, G is group, and O is others. U is owner and G is group and O is others. You want to applicable for owner as well as group or others, you have to reference A, small a here. Okay, that's how it will work here. So now next command, next is operators. Plus means add permissions, minus remove permissions, equal to means set the permission to the specified values. Set the permission to the specified values. So you can see that in this letters wise, R is read permission, W is write permission, and X is execute permissions. Okay, and it will works on octal mode. Actually, you can see the first digit is owner, and second digit is group, and third digit is others. So we can actually see the values. Read permission is 4, read permission, 2 is write permission, and 1 is execute permission. Okay, this is how we can able to restrict the file permissions or maybe directory permissions. Okay, so that nobody can access other than the group members here. Okay, so now we can able to see here some examples here. So give execute permission to the user. Okay, change mode. U is username. Okay, plus X is execute only. And file name is script.sh. Script.sh. And second is remove write permission from group. So change mode G is a group actually, and minus W is write permission on the file.txt. On the file.txt, do not give write permission. That is minus here. Let's understand. Minus W is write permission. Okay. Similarly, I want to give to everyone read and execute permissions. So change mode A is called everyone and plus RX. R is read and X is execute on file.txt. On the file.txt. Okay. And one more next is set exact permissions using the numbers. Okay. So here you can see here 7, 5 and 5. So what is the 7, 5, 5, 5 here? So 7 here is users, he is having a read, write and execute. Okay. And group is having read and execute. That is read and execute. You can see here 4 and 1 is read and execute, and the others having read and execute only. Only the owner is having read permission, write permission, and execute the permission. Okay, this is about 755. Okay, and next is remove all permission from others. Okay, remove all the permissions. So change mode home is equal to file. Remove all the permissions from the others actually. Okay, this is a equal to file.txt. Okay, so make a file read only for everyone. So we can put change mode 4. Okay, read only means 444 file.txt. Okay, and recursive permission change. Okay, that is change mode. Okay, minus R 755. Okay, which is a path we specify the folder. Okay, whichever file is added there, actually it will automatically give the recursive permission change here. This is how we can able to execute the files with help of different that is groups, user, group and others and all. Okay, this is about the change mod examples. Now we'll go to the grep command. Grep is a command actually where this is a function where you can able to use for especially for searching the text strings. Okay, text strings or patterns. Okay, now I'll go to the command prompt here. Then I can see ls. So you can see I already done here grep example.txt. So clear first grep sorry nano grep example.txt grep example.txt. I can see. So there is 5 lines. India is a great country and located in Asia. India's GDP growth falls around 5.6. India having Sri Lanka as neighbor. India population is highest around the world. India is a UN member. Okay. Now I want to find in this one only India. Okay. Let us start writing the command with help of grep actually. I'll close this one. So now grep minus I. So you can see that first option is here minus I. Okay. So now grep minus I. Then I want to search for India. So you should give the file name also grep example dot txt grep example dot txt. Okay. So now right here enter. So now you can see here all the lines it has taken. The red highlighted color is it is found. These are the lines they having the India. So it is a case sensitive. Either it finds starting the India with small I and it can find the starting the I with the capital I also. Capital I. So this is how we can able to utilize the grep command. Okay, we can able to find any word here. Okay, any word in this file. Okay. So next is actually here grep minus C. Okay. So grep minus C. Okay. Then say India. Okay. Grep example dot txt. So it is finding the India here. Maybe you can see here, this is one first line. It finds number of lines. It has found India here. Two lines, three lines, and four lines are there total actually. India, small I. Okay. Now I similarly for this one, I'm putting here starting with the capital I. So it is actually nothing is here actually because I is capital, NDI is it will not find any word in this one actually. Okay. So this is the finding the lines which is matching with the pattern. Okay. So next count is here is next command is minus L option. Okay. So minus L option, it finds the list. It finds the word it is there in the file grep example.txt. So whenever you want to find it is there or not in the file, it shows you it is present in this word is present into grep example.txt. Grep minus L. Okay, the option. So once again I'm telling you grep minus L option is whenever you want to find any word in the particular file, okay, it is possible to find. So you can mention the file name and which word you want to find it. Okay, it's present means it will show you green grep example.txt. Okay, this is about grep minus L option. Next is minus w. Minus w, it finds the whole world. Okay, it will not find any suppose actually you can see here I want to find only I and D. Okay, it will not find this one actually. Okay, so it will find only whole world. Okay, so this is not w, this is minus. Okay, so it is not finding this one. Okay, whole, this will find only whole one is complete sentence word only it finds. So I can example now, I can say here INDIA. Okay, then this you can find just this is a 4 actually it is found out same India. Okay, okay. So minus w whenever you use here small w. Okay, so it will use find particular same word is there or not actually. That's what it will find it here. Okay, this is w actually. Okay, the next is minus n. So next is minus n. So it shows you line numbers here. Putting the line numbers for each one minus n. So now enter here 1, 2, 3, 4 minus. See 1, 2, 3 left side. You can able to see the line numbers here. Okay, this is how you can able to utilize the grep. Okay, so there is minus C option is there, minus I option is there, minus L option is there, minus W option is there, and minus N option is there. Okay, this is all about the grep command. So I'll select clear here. So next one is tar. Tar command is next is tar. Okay, so now tar means tape archive. This is just like a Windows zip command. Okay, so now I want to create tar actually here cvpf. C is create a new archive. Verbose output V is P is preserve permissions, and minus F is specify the file of the archive. Okay, dot tar should be is a dot tar should be there, otherwise it will not create the tar file here. Okay, So now what you do is, now here I'll just go here, command prompt. So ls C text is right, so star minus cv cvpf tar minus cvpf. So I want to dot create one dot tar file. Okay, what you want to put inside? I want to put he dot text. So now I can see here it says he tar text already put into the tar file now. Okay, now I want to untar it. So untar means unzip file, whatever I put here. So same command tar minus x vpf. Okay, that is create one dot tar. So it is actually giving you the format. Okay, that is xvf create. Okay, that is extract he dot txt. So just extracted the he.txt file. So cvf is maybe zip file, creating a zip file, compressing a file, and xvpf is extracting the file, okay, from the unzip, just like a unzip actually. Okay, this is about the tar command. And next is our execute the shell script. Okay, so you can see here this is a hash exclamatory mark and bin slash bash. Okay, so what is shell script? I'll just tell you about this. So any script you want to use here, okay, in this one. So maybe I can say here nano, then I if example dot sh, it ends with the shell sh. Okay, now you have to please bear in mind that we need to add first line hash exclamatory mark slash bin slash bash. Okay, so hash, what it does here is it's called as a shebang. Hash exclamatory mark, it is called as a shebang. Okay, it inform you which type of interpreter you to use here, which type of interpreter. Okay, commonly interpreter means it will compile the your program. Okay, compile and give the result, execute the result. So slash bin and slash bash we are using here, slash bin slash bash. So this is a bash shell. So we need to execute the script in the bash shell. That is the how we can able to understand from the line. So if you know miss that line there, okay, if you miss that line means your program will not able to compile and will not give any result. Okay, it's just a simple program here. You can see the if I'm putting a equal to 8 and I'm putting reference the value with the help of dollar value equal to b actually here, then echo. Okay, else a is not equal to b. Okay, so free is end actually exit here, as in the if loop in Java. Okay, it's a free is exit here. Okay, this is how we can able to write a shell script. Okay, maybe in the nano writer we can write it. Okay, and we can save this one. Control O, save this one, and Control X is exit the your shell script. Okay, I put in here. So now afterwards you have to change, right, change mode. Okay, plus x, and if ls if example. Okay, change mode, because we need to change the permission, right, plus x, then if ex dot sh, then we need to execute it. We need to execute means dot. Okay, if ex dot sh, so he is not equal to b. if ex dot set, how to run the your shell script like that. So always you have to first change the permission, file permission execution, then write dot slash ifx dot sh. It will execute the whole script and give the output here. A is not equal to B. This is how we can able to run the our shell script. Okay. I think you understood the all the commands, that is advanced commands. So next part will start. Okay. And